Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn, and I am your communications coach or English coach. We all are scared of grammar. When we talk about grammar, it feels like a burden for us, or it feels like very difficult for us to learn. But trust me on this, guys, when you are learning to speak English fluently and confidently, you don't need to memorize all the grammar rules. Here, what you have to do is you have to focus on understanding and correcting it on the go. What I mean by this is when you're listening to stuff, when you're trying to make sentences, when you are shadowing with someone, and when you're talking about things, you are learning grammar. So this is what I mean by on the go, which means on the job. Like practically what you're speaking, you're learning from that. So many of us learn grammar in this way. So basic grammar rules you'll learn in this way. Okay, and you don't have to take the entire grammar and start learning the rules. Basically, you have to know parts of speech, tenses, and articles. These are the basic building blocks of grammar. So each day you can take up one module or one thing, like one parts of speech or one tense or anything, you can take up and you can just start working on it. You can just start understanding what it is and start working on some exercises. So basically activities or exercises, if you start working on, it will be much easier for you to learn the grammar rule. So you'll basically learn it in an interesting way, in a way which you will never forget. So instead of taking up a grammar book, learning the rules, understanding it, we can directly go to any AI platform or on Google also. You can just search for exercises related to that topic and start working on it. It will help you to understand grammar. It will help you to build a base for making sentences, or making proper sentences, and it will ultimately help you to speak English fluently and confidently, because you'll gain confidence in speaking correct sentences, right? So today I've thought of coming with some exercises related to grammar which will help you to build your confidence in speaking in English or in making sentences in English. So let's do it. So guys, if you're looking for such sessions, if you want to learn English in an interesting way or fun way, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, write your comments in the comment section, and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. Let's begin. So today I've come up with some very interesting exercises which will help you to understand the grammar rule and which will help you to start making sentences correctly. Okay, and this is very simple, guys. So the first exercise I've come up with is you have to correct these sentences. I'm going to speak up 5 sentences and you have to correct that. These are incorrect sentences. You have to correct those sentences. You have to tell me what the correct sentence is. Okay, and you have to write down in my comment section. So are you ready? Let's do it. The first sentence is, I am work in an IT company. Guys, I'll give it on the screen so that it's easier for you to look at it and correct that sentence. Don't forget to write it in my comment section, the correct sentence. So the first one is, I am work in an IT company. Correct this sentence. You'll get 30 seconds. Next, she don't know the answer. She don't know the answer. 30 seconds. Write the correct sentence. Third, we was very happy yesterday. We was very happy yesterday. 30 seconds. I'll give you the answer at the end after all the 5 sentences. Fourth, he go to office by bus. He go to office by bus. 30 seconds. Write it in my comment section. Number 5. They are play cricket every Sunday. They are play cricket every Sunday. Write the correct form in my comment section. 30 seconds. The first sentence is, I work in an IT company. Second, she doesn't know the answer. Third, I was very happy yesterday. Fourth, he goes to office by bus. Fifth, they play cricket every Sunday. They play cricket every Sunday. So these are the correct answers. Okay, and I'm sure you must have scored well in this. If not, start again. Take some more sentences and start correcting it. Okay, get into the practice of doing this. It is absolutely going to help you without memorizing, without reading, without studying the grammar rules. Okay, now next part. Here I'm going to take present simple and present continuous. Let's do some fill in the blanks. I'm taking present simple and present continuous. So you have to use these forms to fill in the blanks. Present simple and present continuous. Okay, let's start with the first sentence. She dashed to the office every day. Your options are go, goes, going. She dashed to the office every day. Write the correct one. Next, they dash football right now. They dash football right now. Play. Next, are playing. Third is played. Play, are playing, or played. Write the correct one. Next, I dash coffee every morning. I dash coffee every morning. Your options are drink, drinks, drinking. Drink, drinks, drinking. Choose the correct one. Fourth, my brother dash a book at the moment. My brother dash a book at the moment. The options are reads, is reading, read. Read, is reading, or read. Which is the correct one? And the last one is we dash in Pune. Your options are lives, live, living. We dash in Pune. Lives, live, living. Write the correct answer. Now let me give you the correct answers. She goes to office every day. Next, they are playing football right now because the action is right now. It is going on. So are playing, which is present continuous, right? Next, I drink coffee every morning. My brother is reading a book at the moment. We live in Pune. Okay, so this is the correct forms of the words to fill in. So guys, it was so simple. You just have to understand the concept first and then start working on some exercises. You can type it on Google, you can type it on ChatGPT, you can type it on any of the AI which you have like Gemini, Cloud, DeepSeek, whatever AI you are using, you can use that, or you can use Google, or any exercise book you can take up and you can start doing this, right? So these are very simple, very basic, everyday used sentences. You have to know how to talk about things correctly every single day. Simple sentences, basic sentences, right? If you know, it will be easier for you to make sentences also correctly. So this is why grammar is essential. But you can learn it on the go. As I told you, you can learn it while speaking the language as well. It's just that you have to know that what sentences you are using to express yourself for your fluency practice, it has to be correct. Okay, so in this way you can start picking up some exercises, some fill in the blanks, some other activities to help you with grammar practice as well, so that when you speak in English, you are confident of speaking correct sentences, which will add to your fluency as well, right? So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching, and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye. Take care.